Welcome everyone. Today we're checking out the Uniden SDS200 True I/Q TrunkTracker X mobile digital scanner, which delivers incredible digital performance for all your scanning needs. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this scanner at the best price in the market. The SDS200 combines the HomePatrol ease of use with software-defined radio and True I/Q technology, giving you a top-of-the-line scanning experience even on challenging digital simulcast systems. One of its standout features is the large 3.5-inch customizable color display, which allows you to personalize each field and color so you can see exactly what's important to you. The scanner includes a comprehensive HomePatrol database covering all known radio systems in the US and Canada, and it updates weekly with Sentinel software, so you're always current. You also get location-based scanning where you can input your zip code or GPS coordinates, and the auto-locate feature can even determine your location for you, automatically selecting the relevant systems. Favorite Scan is another handy function letting you organize multiple systems into easy-to-access lists. And with GPS compatibility, the SDS200 can continually reselect systems as you move. Setup and programming are simple, whether you use the front panel, free Sentinel software, or the ARC 536 software for advanced control. It lets you listen to police, fire, EMS, aviation, railroads, and more, giving you ultimate flexibility. On the downside, the scanner is slightly larger at 8.5 by 12.75 inches and weighs about 5 pounds, so it isn't the most portable option, and while it is highly capable, first-time users may need a short learning period to get the most out of all the features. Overall, the SDS200 delivers unmatched digital decode performance with professional-level scanning features that are hard to beat. Don't miss out on this incredible tool for monitoring radio traffic and enhancing your scanning experience. Make sure to check the link in the description below to grab your Uniden SDS200 today and experience the full capabilities for yourself.